Pet insurance versus routine versus accident versus illness versus lifetime versus multi-pet versus breed-specific. Which one is better for long-term care? If you love your pets, ensuring their health and happiness over the long term is a top priority. Most pet owners get this wrong by assuming any insurance policy is enough, but the surprising truth is that routine, accident, illness, lifetime, multi-pet, and breed-specific coverage each serve very different purposes. Routine care insurance covers preventative treatments like vaccinations, flea and tick treatments, and annual checkups. While it won't cover major illnesses, it helps keep pets healthy and reduces small, recurring out-of-pocket costs. Accident-only insurance is a cost-effective option for owners on a budget. It covers injuries from unexpected events like car accidents or falls but won't pay for illness-related treatment. For young, healthy pets, it can be a starting point, but long-term care may require additional coverage. Illness insurance covers vet costs for diagnosed diseases, infections, or chronic conditions. It's essential for ensuring your pet can receive treatment for unexpected sickness without breaking the bank. Lifetime insurance combines accident and illness cover for the duration of your pet's life, often renewing annually. This is the most comprehensive option, especially for breeds prone to hereditary conditions or pets with chronic health issues. Multi-pet insurance is designed for households with more than one animal. Policies often include discounts and make managing multiple pets' health simpler. Breed-specific insurance targets health conditions common to certain breeds. For example, large dog breeds may have hip dysplasia coverage, while specific cat breeds may include coverage for genetic conditions. So, which is better for long-term care? Lifetime insurance offers the most complete protection, but pairing it with routine coverage ensures preventative care is covered too. Multi-pet and breed-specific options allow customization based on your household and pet's unique needs. In short, the right pet insurance protects both your furry friends and your wallet, ensuring they receive the best care throughout their lives. With a thoughtful policy, you can focus on enjoying every playful moment without worrying about unexpected veterinary costs.